guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you are welcome. So today I am going to be taking you along my fufu journey. I'm going to be showing you guys how we make fufu. Sometimes back I showed you guys how fufu is processed, like how I processed fufu. So today's video I'm going to show you how we make the fufu on the fire. This is the bag the fufu is in, so you just have to open it. This one is the one that we did. This one is the one that we did that time I showed you guys that we made fufu. So this is how the fufu is in the bag. We're actually going to put it in a more safer bag. So I'm just going to take my raw fufu, put it inside my plate, then I will transfer it to my pot where I'll be making the fufu proper. So this is how the fufu actually is. So in order to make my fufu, I'll be needing clean water. I'll put the clean water in fufu. Firstly, you must make sure your hands are very neat and clean because we are going to be using your hand a lot. So I'm putting in the clean water. You need to put the water bit by bit, and then you have to try to dissolve the fufu just like I'm doing now, because you can't turn this fufu like this. Like there is no way you're going to cook this fufu like this. You can't. So you have to dissolve it to some reasonable extent. This water is not enough, so I'm going to put all the water. I'm going to get more water. Helen, bring water for me. Come, use this one. So I'm just going to be dissolving it like so, gradually. Just keep it somewhere. You are covering the camera. Odourless on top that thing. So I'm just going to mix it up properly. It's still not okay. Wait, I need to take more water. Carry it up small. I'm going to add more water, and then I'm going to stir. So this is the consistency. This is the right consistency it should be. So when you are doing your fufu, you have to check out for lumps. You have to do your fingers like this and check for lumps in the fufu. So as you can see now, these ones are very smooth. There are no fufu. There are no lumps here. So it is ready now to be placed on the fire and turned. So let's go to the fire. This pot is too small for this fufu, so I want to turn this fufu now to this pot so that it will be easy, so that it will be easier for me to turn it. There will be space. So let's do it the village style. So now that my fufu is on the fire, all you need just that through my something. Side, I just saw now. This fire is magical.
Very free.
So now that my fufu is on the fire, all you need to do, all I have to do, is to stir continually.
If the smoke is too much on that side, you come to this side and stay.
It's okay here. No, okay. Let me stay here. So I'm just going to stir continually. The thing is follow up and stop.
I mean, the argument is now. Who's your girlfriend?
It's like this thing is following me. No kids, you just keep it anywhere that is going to show.
Everywhere, yeah.
And I used to not stay with me. I've already stayed with me before.
It's very fine.
So you need to use a very free pot. If it is free, if the pot is wide enough for the fufu, you'll be able to enjoy. When I mean enjoy turning it. You'll be able to enjoy turning it. But if the pot is very tight, there will be no space for you. So I'm actually running away because of the smoke.
I don't want anyone to miss. I don't want anyone to shut to. That's 6 to 6. But I used to enjoy when I use this spot to turn fufu because
when it's small, and not when it's this plenty. This one is very plenty.
It's plenty. Hey. When it's small, this spot used to be very sweet, very slippery, and nothing will come inside the pot.
So as you can see, that's beginning. The fufu is beginning to solidify. So you just have to turn it gradually. Gradually. So if you notice that this thing is dry, you have to dip it inside water. And so Oh Jesus. Oh, so my fufu is ready. I want to keep it down now.
Don't use handle.
Ellie! Ellie, no! Fufu apon bo. So here is the finished look of the fufu. So we still have to open it so that it will be cold. Then we'll massage it with our hand and make everything, you know, soft very well, and your fufu will be ready. So we're just going to do it, and I'm going to show you guys the finished look proper. So this is how we turn it, as I said earlier. And that particular one is ready.